Southern Arizona. We live and work and play in this unique environment. A desert oasis rich with history and cultural diversity. El Rio Community Health Center is proud to be a vital part of this vibrant community we call home, bringing high-quality, affordable health care to thousands of individuals through every stage of life.
El Rio is more than just a medical home. We're a health home. And the reason is because we provide services beyond just medical, beyond just behavioral health. I have some docs and dentists that have graduated from some of the best medical and dental schools across the country. These are individuals who could be working anywhere, okay? But they're here, and they're here because of what I think they should all be practicing medicine or dentistry for, and that is because they care about people.
You know, everybody can come to El Rio. In this last year, we served over 76,000 people in the Tucson community. But we have a huge focus on prevention, really on primary prevention, on health promotion, teaching people to eat healthier, move their bodies, all kind of messages to keep the community healthier. Because we know in the long run, that gives people a better quality of life, a longer life, and it also saves a lot of money in the healthcare system. So we have a lot of partnerships around prevention. Our relationships with our community specialists are very important. The hospitals, the oncologists, the surgeons who are willing to help us out with discounting fees for our patients, offering some of their in-kind time, and we make it work. We're a safety net for those patients. You know, here at El Rio, you get a lot for your donor dollars. Almost all of the money you donate goes to direct services for our patients. We're able to really put that money right into the hands of the patient and their family.
El Rio provides cost-effective, comprehensive primary care, covering medical, pediatric, dental, pharmacy, radiology, and behavioral health services that make a lasting difference in our patients' lives.
What can we do through our relationship with that person that honors all of those personal things about them, all of the things that make them unique and special as a human being? And that's really what we can do here at El Rio, that we do from the front desk to the back desk. All of those people are informed by the mission of El Rio, which is we care about the person, we care about their family, we care about their community. That's all part of what we fold our arms around.
We've known about El Rio for many years. To me, I had no idea that it was available to just anyone. We have always felt trust in our doctors, and we're feeling very, very comfortable, and we're satisfied. To look around in the waiting room, I look at families with their children. It's enlightening to me to see that these are healthy families. Without adequate health care, perhaps they would not be so healthy. That is one of the reasons I'm really proud to be part of this organization as a board member.
El Rio respects the diversity and needs of the people who rely on our health center as their medical home for primary care. Treating the whole person in one place is what we are all about.
My husband and I have been very proud supporters of El Rio because El Rio is an effective and passionate organization. El Rio makes a major difference in Tucson. The care that El Rio offers is far-reaching. These type of programs rely heavily on donors like you and me. El Rio is a good investment for every donor because 90 cents out of every dollar goes to direct care. Don't rely on what I have to say. Go see for yourself. You're going to come away impressed with the compassionate care, the excellent staffing, and the dedicated employees of El Rio.
We focus on the patient, taking an active role in prevention and wellness by providing important education that translates to significant increases in positive outcomes.
Wow, when I first walked in the door, I saw the busiest place, busier than I could have imagined. The waiting room was full, but the doctors and nurses were on fast forward, and everybody had a smile on their face, and there was just huge activity going on. While I was there, I made it a point to talk to 3 or 4 of the employees and ask them, what it was like to work for El Rio, and uniformly they said they loved their job and that it was just a happy place to work. El Rio provides health care for people in Tucson that otherwise wouldn't be able to afford health care, and it's a Tucson project. It's not statewide, it's not nationwide, it's right here in Tucson, and wow, that's just a big bang for the buck.
El Rio is at the leading edge of technology, using state-of-the-art equipment and electronic medical record keeping, so members of the healthcare team can better coordinate and care for their patients.
I got pregnant as a sophomore in high school, and it was a scary experience. I was so scared and without any health insurance. I didn't know what to do. Then I heard about El Rio. After the first conversation with them, I started to feel like things were going to be okay. During my pregnancy, El Rio provided health care and parenting classes to teach me what I would need to know to take care of my son once he was born. Every time I went to El Rio, they treated me with respect and made me feel important. And today, I have my healthy son, and that's all that matters. I am currently working, going to school, studying at Pima Community College. I am determined to have a better future for me and my son.
I was discharged and I was an emotional mess. I mean, everything was just upside down. I had cancer. I was totally hopeless, and the depression was really kicking in. And I had given up. And El Rio, they never gave up on me. And I did the little parts that I could do. But I continued back with my standard appointments, and those people there at the clinic on Irvington are just constantly vigilant, making referrals, trying what they could to get me some kind of help that I needed. They kept me going, you know, it was hope that I had given up on. I just had thrown my hat in saying, well, I don't know how long I'm gonna last. But they never gave up. And they fought and they fought and they fought, and they got me the most important care that I needed. The cancer treatments, which in the long run have paid off. They're treated with dignity and warmth and understanding. And I was not used to that type of treatment. It was what kept me alive and kept me going.
Passion and innovation are the core values that drive what we do every day. It takes a dedicated, caring team with a commitment for helping people. It takes skills, critical thinking, and creative practices to meet the needs of the thousands of people we serve. Your health is our passion.
Thank you, Rio.
Gracias, El Rio.
Thanks, El Rio.
Thank you, El Rio. Gracias, El Rio.
Here, El Rio.
Thanks, El Rio.
Thanks, El Rio.
Thank you, El Rio.
We will stay true to our mission of providing high-quality primary health care and empowering people to live healthy lives. Open your hearts, and we can change lives together. We thank you for your caring and generous support. El Rio Community Health Center. Your health is our passion.